Hello guys, I'm your code specialist Dev Jobalia signing up with you to solve the problem max consecutive ones. So what is the problem? Let's just dive into it. Given a binary array of size n and an integer m, find the maximum number of consecutive ones produced by flipping at most m zeros. So this is for simple example. We have one possibility to change zero such that we get the maximum consecutive ones within the array. So the output gives 3. This question was quite simple. Let's move on to some example 2 if it is harder. Yeah, quite a long. We have two possibilities of making 0, 1 to get the highest consecutives. So if try year and year, the max is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's undo this. Now after this, if we try 1 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So we will back, we try year and year. So what's the thing? It's 8. So that's the output we are submitting. The task is quite simple. So the brute force approach might be using Q. So why Q and what is Q? If you don't know, it would be better to understand how Q works. Since there is what say within the S thing, most of you all might not know Q. But in order to show the force approach and the two-pointer approach, which is the optimal, it will be easier. So let's jump into the demo. I feel the demo is easy, but in order for future reference, let's do it again. Uh, should we take the 8 one? Two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. M equals to 2. So one possibility is something like this. Other possibility is this, and the first possibility, second possibility, third possibility. One double zero, both zeros are traversed, three, one, and last three. So these are the three possibilities. And here length equals to 8. Here length equals to 5, length equals to 5. So this is our output. So I'm not giving a brute force approach because better is more intuitive and easy to remember. So how the better goes is we are going to initialize a queue first, uh, after which what we will do is should I do the right? Yes, I should. Uh, I'm finding a good example for you all. Length of 7. Is there anything of 6 length? No, not this one. Not this either. Oh my god, length of 20. 7 is better. So the string is something like 100 1101. This is our string m equals to 1. So what we will do is have a few data structure. Initial, keep another variable max length and size. Max length store our answer and current size is for the variable. So first iteration r equals to 0. So we will have left and right pointing at 0. Since this is an array, do the square brackets. Right equals to 0. If right equals to 0, a array of right is not equals to 0, max length equals to right not equals to 0. Continue. Max length will remain as 0. Second operation, right equals I r right equals to this, right equals to 2. Right equals a of r equals to 0. Since it is the case, we will add it into the queue. What do we do? Call it offer. Q dot offer I or right. So after offering, size will become 1. So after this, what we will do is size, since size is not greater than the thing, we will just do max length is equals to right minus left plus 1. Right is 2, left is 0 plus 1. So it's length of 3. Oh, left left is at 0, right is at 2. Acha, so this is 0 man. 0 and 1. Right equals to 1. So it's of length 2. Q is containing index 1. R equals to 0 and 2. A of R equals to 0. Q equals to 1 and 2. Since equal, we will add it, then size we will increment it by 2. So now what's happening is size is greater than m. So we will pop from the front since it is q. So in q it is called pole most probably. and size equals to 1. Now what happens is max length equals to right is 2, left is 0. When does left get incremented? Here it gets incremented. Size left equals to q dot peak plus 1. So before removing it was operation 1 plus 1. So max length 2 minus 2 plus 1 equals to 1. Since it is false, max we will just calculate max length. Minus left of 2 plus 1 is equals to 2. Right equals to 4. A of right not equals to 0 is false. Max length 3. R equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. R equals to 5. A of R 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. R equals to 5 equals to 0. So what we will do is push it into the Q. Q equals to 2 comma 5. Yes, am I right? Yes, here there was a pop operation. After this, what happens? Size will become 2. Since size is greater than m, length left will be incremented to peak equals to what? 2. So after this, size will be reduced by 1. Yes, and Q will become, there will be a pop operation. So after this size max length we will check. Right is a 5, left is 2. Previously also it was 2, no? Acha, 2 plus 1 equals to 3 plus 1. 5 minus 3 plus 1. 2 plus 1 3. Max length has been incremented. R equals to 6. A of R equals to 0 is false. So max length we will calculate directly, which is 5 minus 6 minus 3 plus, you were not able to see it or what? Where is the paper, man? Plus 1. 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 1. 4. Length is 4. This is our max length. So what's happening is 1001. If right encounters 0, it will put in the queue. It is at index 1. Now it will calculate size. Size equals to, what does size mean is the occurrence of 0 equals to 1. After iteration, then equals to right minus left plus 1. This is mandatory. So again, since 0 is appearing, size becomes 2. Since size greater than m, left equals to left equals to q dot peak. Q pop operation second, then what? Size minus minus. This is the edge. Case 1, case 3, case 2. So time complexity for this is O of n. Since we are iterating the whole array for one time, is complexity, and in adding and removing and peaking, everything is constant time most of the time in cube. So O of n is it, it is, and for space, worst can be O of n. No, O of k, allowed use. So for this, we have remedy, which is the optimal thing. Optimal. How does this goes? Let us think. Same example. 100 111 01. 100 1101. Left and right pointing at the same position. What next? Here also we are keeping count of 0 and max length. So how this goes is, if right equals to 0, count equals to 1. 0 count equals to 1. So we will require 0 count. Answer length equals to 0 for now. So since there is no 0 out here, we will increment right. Okay, 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Right comes out here. Now since right is equals to 0, 0 count equals array and m equals to 1. Now what we will do is, our length here becomes 1 because right minus left plus 1 is equals to 1. Now our length equals to 2. Right minus left plus 1. So 1 minus 0 plus 1 is, so after this 1 0 0 1 double 1 0 1 0 count equals to 2. So uh, our right is out here. Since the count of 0 is greater than, what we will do is decrement it, decrement the 0 count by 1. Let's just first do this. This was our first iteration, this was second, this was third. In the third iteration again, since the 0 count is greater than m, it will become, we will decrement it and increment left by 1. So left wings out here, right is still over 1 1 0 1. 0 count equals to what answer equals to right, and this is both at the same position. So 1, so fourth 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 0 count. Now right has come out over, since it is not 0, 0 count will remain as it is. Answer will become 2. Oh my god, who the fuck is this? Sorry guys. 1 0 0 double 1 0 1. So again right is out here. 0 count equals to 1. Answer equals to 3. Yes, it is 3. So now let's go on to the next step. 1 0. Now since right incremented and it will point out over here, let's just for now do this. 0 count equals to, answer equals to 3 for now, but since 0 count is greater than m, 1 comma 0 comma 0. So what we will do is decrement 0 count by 1 and increment left. So this is right, and our answer remains as 3. And in the last operation, since right is not equals to our lovely 0, 0 count remains 1, answer becomes 4, and here all the iteration answers max value is returned. So the code might be simple for y'all, because if you have understood the queue thing, we have just reduced the complexity. So how the code looks like is, we will keep left pointer right pointer both to 0, max length or answer length equals to 0. What else we need? 0 count equals to 0. This is our initial while r is less than n. So if we able to see, yes you are. If what? If a of r equals to 0, 0 count plus 1, while c count greater than 1, we will, if a of left equals to 0, we will do 0 count minus minus, all else left plus plus, and then calculate max length is equals to math dot max length, previous max length, and right minus left plus 1. We will increment right and in the end return max length. So the time complexity out here is also big O of n, but space complexity is reduced to constant. So I hope you all understood it. Let's dive into the implementation and get all the theory clear by the practical work. So we will need int left equals to 0, int right equals to 0, int 0 count equals to 0, int what else? Answer equals to 0, while right is less than n, if ARR of right equals to 0, 0 count plus plus, while 0 count greater than m, we will check if ARR of left equals to 0, 0 count minus minus. If it is not the case, or if it is the case, in both cases, we will have to decrement increment left counter. So we are at a position that our left pointer has been updated and right pointer has been updated by the loop. So answer we can do this math dot max answer and what else, right minus left plus 1. Answer we have got, right plus plus, return our answer. Is there a shortcut in Geeks for compile and run? ARR Right. Request. So let's submit it. 500. These are low test cases. Other test cases were so high, man. So I had one doubt. What if we just do this? Okay, so today there is very much turbulence. So this is all good. Let's do our check for typing speed. Oh my god. Guys, I'm coming 1 minute. Huh? Sorry guys, I have too much turbulence. Is my mic connected? Yes, we are. Let's go on. Think again. Much must state way most present. Back look around nation. Good other follow. Face would back. Must ask never. Which possible of before. Is it my best? Yes, I can say it's around the best. Let's see. 64. Acha, it's for 58 is my best. Okay. Let's beat it, boys. To follow, never, home, own, about, no, say, line, develop, child, also, no, right, see, work, cause, open, see, you make, word, it reduced. Come down. It was 65. Steady decline, man. Mm-hmm. 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 What holds so present now never may lead other govern problem feel how when against face people know little see his line increase number me on work from in general present printer and more consider use or will which were nice. I'm stumped with the results. Let the DSA make me feel good. So this is done. Oh my god, you weren't able to see the code part, neither the typing. So I mean, I had shown you the what we say pseudocode. This is the same. Okay.